Did you know that cantaloupes can grow up to 30 pounds if you know the right techniques? Yeah, that's right. These sweet and juicy fruits can turn your backyard into a melon paradise. Today, you're going to learn how to grow huge, juicy cantaloupes right in your backyard, making your summer sweeter than ever. Imagine biting into a fresh cantaloupe, bursting with flavor and sweetness. Sounds amazing, right? Well, let's dive in. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the garden, or should I say the small cantaloupe. Many gardeners struggle with getting their cantaloupes to grow big and delicious. Instead, they end up with small, bland fruits that just don't cut it. So, what's going wrong? Common mistakes include poor soil preparation, not choosing the right variety for your region, and neglecting watering and fertilization. But don't worry. I'm here to help you avoid these pitfalls and ensure your cantaloupes are the talk of the town. First up, soil preparation. Cantaloupes love well-drained, sandy soil that's rich in organic matter. So, make sure to mix in compost or well-rotted manure to boost those nutrients. Next, let's talk about varieties. Depending on where you live, some cantaloupe varieties will thrive better than others. For example, if you're in a cooler region, look for varieties like Hale's Best or Sugar Cube. Now, onto planting. Space those seeds about 36 inches apart in rows that are at least 5 feet apart to give them room to sprawl. Watering is crucial, especially during flowering and fruit development. Aim for deep watering once or twice a week. And don't forget about fertilizing. A balanced fertilizer applied every 3 to 4 weeks can work wonders. Also, keep an eye out for pests like aphids and cucumber beetles. They love cantaloupe plants just as much as you do. Now, here comes the juicy part, the secret to maximizing fruit size and flavor. Watering is key, but it's all about consistency. You don't want your plants to go thirsty or drown them either. Mulching can help retain moisture and prevent weeds. When it comes to fertilizing, use a high-potassium fertilizer when the fruits start to set. This will enhance sweetness. And don't forget to prune some of the vines. This helps direct the plant's energy into fewer fruits, resulting in bigger, tastier cantaloupes. Also, keep an eye on pests. Regularly inspect your plants and use organic pest control methods to keep those pesky bugs at bay. To wrap things up, remember the key steps to successfully grow large cantaloupes. Prepare your soil right, choose the best varieties for your area, plant with plenty of space, water deeply but consistently, and don't skimp on care during the growing season. With a bit of attention, your garden can produce cantaloupes that are truly out of this world. If you found these tips helpful, check out my other videos on gardening, and don't forget to share your own cantaloupe growing experiences in the comments below. I can't wait to hear about your juicy successes. Happy gardening, everyone!